It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're out in Maple Ridge, out at the, I guess this is the Haney Marina is what you might call it. It has assumable moorage for the Ruby Marie. It's a 37-foot Barrie Farrell commercial type boat, but been converted to pleasure use. Got a big anchor winch package on the front there. That's real commercial, running all hydraulics there. Ruby Marie, it's a 37-foot Barrie Farrell, built in North Vancouver. He built a ton of boats, both pleasure and as well as commercial fish boats. Right there is a 32-footer, it looks that way. I think it's a 32-footer. It has that look to it, at least. Quick look at lots of commercial features on this boat. It's got a big, tall stack on it. It runs keel coolers on this boat. We're doing our iconic outside video for you so you can see what, when you come and see it, this is what you're looking at from my point of view and your point of view. It really helps make that decision if this is something that you want. A big swim grid on the back, transom door, great for diving. Comes with a high field dinghy. Looks like it needs a new tender davit thingy jiggy. I don't know what they're called at this moment. It's got a little barbecue over, a hard top over the back. It has two outboards. It's got a little Yamaha 4 horsepower and a 9.9 that you'll see up top. We're doing the outside video. Lots of room out the back. You can take this thing anywhere on the coast, and it's got a 130 horsepower Perkins Diesel. Please watch my startup video on this boat. It started up beautifully, a little bit of glow plug, etc. Coming up onto the bridge, I just want to show you this up top here. There's that commercial type stack there. Dinghy davit. There's a 9.9 Mercury outboard they can use on the dinghy. A couple of kayaks, I assume, are going with the boat. Same with a stand-up paddle board as we go forward. They've owned this for 30 years. There's a spot for the GPS. You can steer from up top here. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's functional. You can go boating. So that's our outside video of our 37-foot Barrie Farrell. It's a 1974, and there's a 2025 survey. Phone Christy, 604-317-3847 for more information and viewing. Assumable moorage with this boat too. Cheap assumable moorage. Again, thanks for watching.